Don't buy a mason jar before you know this inexpensive way how to grow your sprouts at home almost for free, with no lights, no soil, right in your kitchen. In this video, I will show you how to make your own sprouting kit with little effort, so don't hurry up to buy fancy equipment from Amazon and watch this video closely. Talking in particular about sprouting. When you see influencers with their professional sprouting kits, you probably think, oh my god, I have to buy this and that to start sprouting. Actually, you don't. Since sprouts have become a staple of my raw vegan lifestyle, I was looking for solutions how to do that as cheap as possible. It took me a whole year to realize how affordable it could be if someone could tell me that idea before. If you take a look at a sprouting kit, you'll see it provides four simple functions: a container that keeps the seeds inside, a filter that supports convenient draining, a stand that keeps the jar inclined to get rid of excess water, and a jar that can also serve for storage. So you got this. We're dancing around these four components. Let's break down each of them one by one to make our own sprouting kit at home. A sprouting container. You probably have some jars at home, or at least you can buy pickled cucumbers or kimchi in a jar. So I can consider that as free. A filter uses fly screen or gas or a piece of fabric that you can buy at any fabric store. Cut it off as much as you need. To hold that at the top position, use a rubber band. A drip tray. That could be any plastic box or a plate where excess amount of water will be dropping into. A stand. It could be a wall, a bowl, or any plastic box itself. What about storage? You don't need my comment to that. It's a jar by itself. The size of a jar is perfect to take with yourself at office or anywhere. And now let's assemble it together step by step. I have a pro tip for you. Furthermore, you can sprout without even a jar with the help of a trainer, a bowl, and a towel. Let me show how the process of sprouting looks like. First of all, let's decide what you like to sprout. Here is a list of the most popular sprouts you can easily grow in this jar. Legumes and beans, lentils, mung beans, chickpeas, green peas, grains and seeds like quinoa and buckwheat, vegetables like broccoli and alfalfa, and other seeds like sunflower seeds, chia seeds, and flax seeds. For beginners, I recommend starting from lentils and chickpeas. It's almost impossible to screw up. Open a package with seeds or grains. Now take your jars, or a drainer as you wish. Before you fill up the jars, note: the sprouts will triple in size next day. Place your seeds or legumes into a jar or into a drainer. Fill up your jars and a bowl with tap water to cover it all. Take the jars a bit to help seeds not to stick together. Put a mesh on the top with the help of a rubber band. Temporarily, you can close the jars. Put the towel on the top and leave it for 8 hours to activate the seeds. Yeah, they don't need sunlight, by the way. After that, they show tiny tails. You can leave your sprouting kit without a towel, so they can catch indirect sunlight. Rinse your sprouts twice a day until they show their tails. In 3-5 days, your sprouts are ready to eat. The moment of truth. Let's see what we've got. No fancy tools, no expensive kits. Just fresh, nutrient-packed sprouts grown in your own kitchen. Now, add them to salads, soups, wraps. They're so versatile. Yeah, they're totally safe to eat. Maybe it doesn't look professional or aesthetic. Although, who cares? Now you're able to grow your food at home, right in your kitchen. To make sprouting even easier, I've created a free sprouting journal template for you. Track soaking time, best temperatures, how often to rinse. I used it myself. It's a game changer. Grab that in the link below. If you found this video useful, discover the rest of my channel. And don't forget, better be raw.